Welcome to the streets of Lagos. Let's hear what people have to say.
In my days, we fetch water from the stream. Now tap water is everywhere. Progress is good.
That's a fascinating change.
Things are very expensive and difficult. I have 7 children. They eat only once a day. I don't even know what to do with them.
People are suffering in this country. Why are the media and government so silent about it?
Well, for me, my boyfriend takes good care of me. So please like and subscribe to this channel, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get the Google VEO 3 for free. I have two different methods I'm going to be showing in this video. The first method is going to be the one that will give you a 1 month free of Google VEO 3 access, and the second one is going to give you access to the Google VEO 3 for an extended period of 15 whole months. So make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on the second method, which is going to give you 15 whole months. So for those of you that don't know what Google VEO 3 is, Google's VEO 3 is the latest video model that Google released that has been trending on the internet. It lets you generate hyper-realistic videos like the one you watched at the beginning of this video. So if you want to have access to it, make sure to watch this video to the end, and I'll show you how to get access for the 1 month free one and the 15 months free. Without much delay, let's jump right into the video. So we're going to start with the first method, which is the 1 month free trial. So you go to your browser and search for VEO 3 and hit the enter button. Then you click on this Gemini AI video generator powered by VEO 3. Then head over to subscriptions, then scroll down. You see the first one is the free version, then the second one is the Pro, Google AI Pro, then the third one is the Ultra, which is, so we're going to be getting this one, which is the first method I told you guys about, the 1 month free one. So we start by clicking here, get started. So I just added my card, and now I'm going to click on subscribe. Don't worry, you're not going to be charged for this. Let's give it some time, run through some verification. When you click continue, your new browser will probably verify your info. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, it's trying to verify my card, so let me switch to my bank app and accept, confirm. Yeah, we're in now, so it's showing subscribed. So my account is now officially subscribed. Yeah, so let's go to the Pro, and yes, we're in. So don't be scared, you can add your card, you won't be charged. So all you have to do is before 1 month elapses, you go to your subscriptions and take off your card before you get charged automatically. So look at it, we have it, the Pro version, everything is free. So the second method is the 15 months one. So keep watching and let's get right into it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. It's going to really go a long way in pushing this video to a wider audience. Thank you. So for the second method, we're going to be needing 3 things. 1, we need a student's email address. 2, your location changed to USA. And 3, we're going to change your age to be within the student's age. And don't worry, these whole 3 things, I'm going to show you how you can do them for free. So let's start by creating the student's email. So all you need to do is go to your browser and search for temp mail. You click on this first link, tempumail.com. Yeah, this is the right one, tempumail.com. So as you can see, this is it. So first of all, you have to verify you're a human. So you choose the username. So I'm going to be choosing tech create So our email has been created successfully. So this edu means is a student email address. So in this next step, I'll be showing how you can change your age to be within the student age bracket. So all you have to do is go to profile, then you click on manage your Google account, then you go to personal info, click on birthday, then you click on this. Then this way you can change your age. So I'm going to be putting 2002. So I'm going to change it to 2002. Then you click on save, say confirm, and that's it. And just like that, we just updated your birthday. So the next step is to change our location to USA. So to achieve that, click on these 3 dots, scroll down and click on visit Chrome web store. Then you search for free VPN. So I'll be going with this one. Click on add to extension and allow it to load. So we're going to be using the free version of this VPN. But if you want to use the premium version, it's just $2.5 a month, which is not bad. So when you add the extension, you come over to this place, you pin it, make sure you pin it to your taskbar, then you click on this to turn it on. Give it some time, click on continue and start. Then you change your location to USA. Then you click here to turn it on. So we give it some time to connect. Yeah, now it's connected. So the next step, we're going to register for the student plan. So on your browser, search for VEO 3. And you click on the right link, go to subscriptions, scroll down, then click on free for students. So next, let's click on verify student status. So now it's asking for an email address, a student email address. So let's go back to the email address we created and copy it. So click here to copy, then you go back here and paste the email address and click on verify. So a verification code has been sent to the email address. So let's go and get the verification code. So click on refresh. So here's the verification code, came in 12 seconds ago. Click to open it. So this is the code. We copy, then we go back there and paste to verify. Submit. You are eligible for Google AI Pro student discount. Yeah. So let's continue. Click on continue. Start free trial. So next, you put your card details, and so don't worry, you're not going to be charged. All you just need to do is put your card details and click on subscribe. So let's wait for it to load. Still trying to verify. Let's give it some more time. Verifying. So now I'm going to head over to my bank app to accept this. Confirm. Got it. Yeah, just confirmed from my bank app. Still loading. Yeah, we're in. So as you can see, we're subscribed. Now we have the 15 months free Google VEO video generation and all the packages that comes with Google subscription. Click on go to premium, and yes, we're in. Yeah. So this is how you can get the Google VEO 3 1-month subscription and the 15-month subscription. So if you're going to be going for the 1-month subscription, make sure not to use the same account to get the 15-month subscription, free trial subscription. So make sure to follow the whole steps in this video. I would advise you just go for the 15-month one. Just follow the simple steps I showed in this video and you're good to go.
If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.